they are. I wasn't able to do what I had to do yesterday. I really just didn't have a lot of energy. You know, 41-year-old problems. Perimenopause. I don't know. Anyway, I had my period and I couldn't do whatever. So the plan is to just take off that thing over there, the black thing, the net shade, and I'll just leave the plant as it is, just like that. Madumi, magulo, makalat. Pero yung black na shade para magkaroon sila ng air circulation and araw. And dadalhin ko yan sa Zambales. Dadalhin ko yan dahil napakainit din. So yan, iwanan ko sila ng ganyan. Nagtatakpan ko lang itong area na to para hindi pasukin ng pots at hindi sila mag-poop sa ilalim ng pots. Ayun lang. Konting update lang. Napakaganda ng Baguio. Napaalis kami papuntang Zambales today. And goodbye Baguio ulit. Ilang araw lang ako dito, mga dalawa lang, isa lang. Walang time na mag-ano ng halaman. So dito lang ako nagpalipas ng period. Umupo lang ako basically. Ayun lang. Have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Short update lang. Ayun. So, yun lang yung short na update. And punta na kami sa Zambales. Bye! We're here. Look at my dog. She's trying to play. Hey! Ayun. Let's just have a little update of what's going on here in the province. Ayan. So, the chilies are quite ripe now. Tomatoes are small. The talong, may bunga pa pero huling bunga niya na siguro yan. But what I'm really interested in is my portulaca, Vietnam rose portulaca. So it's growing fast. See? It has only been like a week when I planted all these. And malago ka agad. So one thing I realized is that they like well-watered or well-watered sandy-ish soil. So, ganun siya mag-grow. And they're growing nicely. So, hopefully, dumami pa yan. Dami ng Vietnam rose mapupuno. And pupunuin ko yung maybe area around that. Over there. Yung area around yung bilog na yan. Maybe, just maybe. Ito inaayos. Simulan na ni Papa na ayos-ayos na. Same on the other side. And actually, yung sa backyard, wala na, tinagpas na lahat ng mga halaman doon. Because they want maaliwalas. They don't really like forest. And they only want vegetables. But the other auntie wants to plant a lot of fortune plants and a lot of stuff. Anyway, so nilipat na yung soil over here dahil kailangan i-backfill ng more soil dito dahil masyado nang malalim. And anong ginagawa ni Candy? Inaabot niya yung wasp. Yung ano ba tawag dyan? Pukyutan ng wasp. Pukyutan? Pukyutan. Anyway, ayun o. Putol na si Kalamansi. Putol na si Mr. Kalamansi. Kasi super wala na siya. That's na siya. Yeah. That's going to be fixed soon. Yun lang. Ganda ka sky. And yesterday daw, alis na ako sa bahay sa Baguio. Biglang super lakas doon. And whereas dito it's so hot and humid. And time to play with my dog because she wants to play. She missed me. She's so hot in here and init na init yun doon. So saka nandun lang sa loob dahil hindi ako masyado makalabas na iniinitan ako. And Walang kalaro si